night, voters are glued to the radio and the television, listening to the tallies as the ballot boxes are brought in. But very few pay any attention to one significant figure: the number of rejected votes. The average election in this country sees well over 2,000 votes not being counted because the ballot was voided in one way or another. In fact, the number of spoilt ballots could be enough to swing the vote in a marginal constituency or two. Take, for instance, the 2002 general election results, when the Otwa-Mayaro seat was claimed by just about 300 votes. There were 127 spoiled ballots there. Then in 2007, the margin of victory there was by about 400 votes. Again, more than 100 ballots being deemed invalid. That year, St. Augustine was claimed by a margin of just over 600 votes. That's a real-world example of why every vote counts. Your ballot can be rejected if there is any type of stray mark or stain on the ballot slip, if you placed the X in two different places, if your ballot is torn or damaged, by placing the X on the party's symbol or any place other than the stipulated area, and by using any mark other than an X to indicate your vote. Remember to follow all instructions closely, or your vote will not count. If you are worried about making mistakes or you're a first-time voter, unsure of what to do, just check with the Deputy Presiding Officer and you will be instructed on how to properly cast your vote using a mock ballot. In an election dubbed by some as the grandmother of all elections, it's your duty to make your vote count.